Anti-Asian hate crimes increased more than 73% in 2020, according to a newly corrected FBI data. It's a disproportionate uptick compared to hate crimes in general, which rose 13%. The FBI data, originally released in August, was reposted after an error was found in Ohio's reporting system. The misreported statistics have been corrected, according to a Bureau press release. And the new data reflects the accurate count for the 15,138 law enforcement agencies that reported numbers. An online breakdown confirmed what scholars, activists, and community leaders have known for a long time, that anti-Asian incidents took a dramatic upswing during the pandemic.
All of us to feel safe, right? Definitely Asian crime is not right. We shouldn't hate anybody. It doesn't matter about what ethnicity you're from.
The FBI reported 279 hate crimes against Asians in 2020, compared to 161 in 2019. Out of all incidents reported in 2020, including in categories other than race, anti-Asian bias ranked the 8th most common motivator. Anti-Black and anti-Latino crimes were high in raw numbers, but neither demographic saw the steep increase that anti-Asian incidents did.
America is facing a hate crime crisis, with some areas more severe than others. Just take New York. The city has seen an increase of 100% in hate crimes in general and 361% in hate crimes against Asians.
Caucasians made up more than 55% of the offenders across the board, the FBI said, a contrast to what viral clips perpetuated in the wake of anti-Asian violence.
We've been seeing a lot of people in the area begin to speak out about it as well, speak out about the violence that may have occurred to their communities. We all have cultivated some type of unity from identifying with each other's pain.
Graphic videos of attacks on Asian elders and a shooting that killed 6 women of Asian descent in the Atlanta area in March reopened national conversations on Asian American civil rights and led many to ask what it takes to constitute a hate crime. They can be hard to prosecute, experts say, and the laws that define them can vary largely from state to state. There's also the tendency for Asian Americans to avoid reporting crimes in general. A survey by AAPI data showed that Asian Americans and Pacific Islanders were the least likely to report hate incidents compared to other groups. And when it is reported, it largely falls to individual law enforcement agencies to translate their data to the federal level. Wu, China America Radio, Chicago.